Man, so we just got to the yard to clean my car out, right? So man, so we just got to the car, right? Look at this. Look at this, man. Look, man. I'm hopping around. Look at my baby, bro. Look where the impact hit. Big curb rash. Windshield tinted. Look how bad I hit this jump. Look, this is bad.
Look, this coat and stuff.
Like, look. So, it's the inside. Every airbag, bro. Every airbag. Every airbag. Seat airbags. Everything. It's my baby. Got my mom helping me to clean it up. Just added the wicker bill to it, bro. Just added the Pirellis to it, bro. So she cleaned up for the most part. I turned it on by mistake, can't turn it off. But yeah, bro, every airbag in this joint. Every single airbag. I'm trying not to stand on my foot too. Dashboard, cracked windshield, steering wheel, knee joint. Huh? Look at this, man. This is the bumper and the fender. This is the bumper and the fender, bro. Inside the car. Headlights smashed in. Man. That's cool. Yeah, you see this, man. I don't know if y'all can see the headers, but I don't see if you can see the headers. Oh, that's a crash board. That's a John frame, John. I don't know, but yeah, man, cleaning the car out. It's depressing to see my baby like this, man. But it's replaceable, so I got word from my insurance and everything. I'm gonna make a separate video on that because there's a lot going on. So yeah, that's really it. We cleaned the car out. You see everything packed in here, in the trunk too. But shout out to Mom Dukes, because man, I gotta get this car stuff situated. I get surgery on Thursday, so I'm trying not to walk as much because I don't want my surgery. I don't want to go into surgery and something else happen. So I'm trying to get all this stuff situated, and that's just gonna be that. I'm gonna take some pictures of the car and just go from there. I don't know if the wind gonna pick it up. It's kind of windy right here, so yeah, man. Crazy part is the grill's gone, both the grills, the bumper guards, everything gone. Lights, all that. But it is what it is. They bought to the Scat.
Back to the Scat.
It's the cocaine white girl.
I wish I had all the way behind.
Bye. You gotta surrender it to Allstate.
Surrendering it to Allstate.
Don't go. Wait, come back. Bye bye. Bye, Key. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Allstate said goodbye.
That's wild. So y'all seen the key, me giving the key back to the junk, not the junkyard, but like the lot. They got my car, like a tow yard. Yeah, man, she gone. She gone. That's really it, man. And as I can say, nothing else to do. Well, positive vibes, bro. I'm extremely tired. I've been up since Sunday. We'll tell you, it's Monday right now. I've been up since Sunday, yo. It is, I don't know. I feel like there's a lot going on. Stressed. Right, I'm not, but it is what it is, bro. But shout out to all y'all showing love on the last 2 videos, man. All the positive comments, all the positive DMs I got, man. Shout out to y'all. I didn't know I was touched like that. Not touched like that, but like respected, and I mean, people cared like that. So that's just me thanking y'all. Shout out to y'all. Oh yeah, man. Keep showing support. Going up all 2020, even though it's halfway over, you're still going up, man. Don't let this one downfall hurt you. Don't let your one downfall hurt you. You can bounce back from this. You can always bounce back. I'm going to bounce back. And even though I only came out with a broken ankle, it's like it's broken and fractured. It's broken on one side, fractured the other side. I can still move it and all that though. They just told me the way it hit is just messed up. But man, I'm glad it's the only thing I came out with. I get surgery on Thursday, as y'all seen in the last video. That's really it, man. Get surgery. Probably have another cast. After the cast for 2 weeks, they can give me like a boot or something. That way I can walk regular now. And that's really it. Once I get the boot, I can start getting back on my feet and everything. And that's really it. So, shout out to all of y'all, man. I know this joint probably boring, but I'm exhausted. I had a long day, been up all day, bro. I sat in the hospital for 3 hours, 4 hours, had a COVID test. It's just a lot, bro. It's just a lot. Like, there's a lot going on. But with that being said, man, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, share the content. Let everybody know these cars are nothing to play with, man. These 6.4, 6.2s, any car is nothing to play with, bro. These cars will take your life away from you. So you gotta treasure that. I'm blessed, man. Glad to be here, man, because you've seen the car. Front end gone. Fenders gone, basically. Whole driver's side smushed in. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Share the video, man. We going up from here. All positive vibe, no negative energy. And as long as the people around you support you, that's all that matters, man. Surround yourself around people who support you in what you do, and you do the same to them. Like, support can go a long way. A share can go a long way. A follow can go a long way, man. So, like this video, man. For your boy, it's just me. I'm out this, John.